Alright, so the guys are ohming out a USB printer style. So TJ's on this end, Brian's on that end. Go ahead.
So
As you can see,
So inside of each of these, either whether it be printer style or USB, there's going to be 4 little metal lines that you see in there. Each different one has its own different line per se. So TJ, I'll like that one, like that one. All right, so there's that one. Move it to another one.
Next.
So that's that one. Let me know when you're on. You're on the same one.
Next.
Alright, there it is.
Next.
There it is.
alright, so in a USB you have power positive, you got power negative, data positive, and data negative. Just to clarify.